Worried about hidden malware or unsafe apps on your phone? Did you know that your Galaxy phone has built-in protection to scan for threats? Let's scan your phone using Google Play Protect straight from the setting menu. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy, then tap App Security, tap Google Play Protect, and then tap the Scan button to manually start scanning your apps. Wait a moment. If everything is okay, you will see no harmful apps found as the result. As a note, even if you only install apps from the Play Store, it's smart to scan occasionally because some harmful behavior may go unnoticed, especially from rarely used or outdated apps. Play Protect keeps an eye on them in the background, and you can trigger a manual check anytime. So next time your phone feels off, or just for peace of mind, run a manual check with Google Play Protect. It's fast, simple, and helps keep your phone safe from hidden threats. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.